Hello, my name is Chau. I'm 6 years old. Here, a little is a chicken. Here a cow. Here a pig. Here a donkey. Here a rabbit. Here a duck. Here a sheep. Here a horse. Here a goat. Here a dog. Here a cat. Goodbye.